At S4 Lights, we're more than lighting. We bring creative vision to life with brilliance, flexibility, and reliability. From botanical gardens and Main Street celebrations to immersive holiday experiences, we thrive on helping you create extraordinary installations that captivate and inspire. Here are a few of the S4 products and systems bringing this display to life. Digital light tubes, a visually striking solution for outlining walkways, framing features, or adding vertical warmth. Designed for in-ground or suspended installations, they bring shape, depth, and rhythm to your design. S4i Extendable RGB System. Flexible, scalable, and beautifully controllable, this RGB system adapts to your vision, offering vibrant color and smooth transitions across any layout. Plug-and-play tunnel light kit. Even if one pixel gets damaged, our DOP mini lights stay lit. Pair with modular tunnels and a full range of content for immersive displays. NXG light strings. A wide array of brilliant colors with advanced LEDs and epoxy-sealed durability. Built for extreme environments and backed by a 4-season warranty. And our GeoGlow spheres. Bring bold design to life with programmable, weatherproof, color-changing spheres in multiple sizes. Playful, bold, and unforgettable. Working on a project? Let's create something extraordinary together. S4lights.com